I love cycling. Did you get pissed on the way here?
Yes, I got caught in like... It said chance of showers.
I know.
Not definite monsoon.
And I was like, I'm wearing kit that would be good if it was dry. Now I'm soaked through and I'm cold.
We ride some bikes.
Yes.
So today, gravel ride. James hasn't ridden his bike in a while, so we nicked a route off our mate, 60k. Probably going to take quite a few hours because it's gravel. Well, this bit isn't. This bit is like a field.
This is the latest and greatest thing. Specialised, take note, you're going to be selling field bikes next.
I've actually been off the bike myself for about a week now. A little bit of time to recover after Red Bull time lapse. What better way to spend it away from the cars? Off-road. Oh. What are the chances of that? I can see why Neil took 5.5 hours to do this route.
You did it when it was dry.
Almost definitely.
COVID. I've picked up a flat. It's the nature of riding a bicycle, isn't it? Good state of you.
Good state of you.
Good state of us.
Actually look alright. We think we've got about 15 miles to go. We're not quite sure because the route doesn't finish where we're finishing, but definitely on the home straight. Got tailwind now because it was headwind on the way out. Yeah, this route, so good. I think it one-ups the Belgie for best gravel ride around here that I've done. I'll definitely put a link in the description to the route if you want to check it out and you live in London. Thoroughly recommend. Maybe don't do it on a rainy day though. Yeah. It'll be sludge. Can you believe it? 1st of November and it's 18 degrees.
It's nuts, isn't it?
What?
Fucking thorn.
Is that what Lauren said once?
Yeah. He said that in the, as we came into Mojave. I've got a puncture, it was a thorn. Thorn.
I miss Mojave.
I don't. What was there to miss about Mojave? It was 50 degrees.
Oh, we were having a great time.
And we almost died.
You almost died. We had a great ride back. We went and saw the world's biggest thermometer, didn't we?
The world's biggest thermometer.
Well, you had to go and get water.
We went to go and see the world's biggest thermometer that told us it was hot.
I wish there was a camera that looked like this but was the size of a GoPro. But then there'd be no reason for this to exist.
I don't know whether you actually want the camera quality to be that good anyway, because we're just both covered in shit. Boop, 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 boop.
You lost?
Well, my Wahoo this goes to show how much riding I've been doing. My Wahoo is still loaded with Vietnamese maps, which of course aren't much use when you're riding off-road in Surrey. Should we use this opportunity while we've stopped to congratulate someone?
Teo.
Well done for winning the Giro d'Italia. I'm very pleased to have played a tiny insignificant part to his success, but what a legend.
Yeah, sorry we didn't. Sorry I didn't mention it sooner. We've had a bit of a busy week, but amazing ride by Teo. Won the Giro.
Yeah. Well,
what?
And we're going to see you next week, mate. branches stuck in your wheel.
Stop.
Stop. My bike sounds like a bag of spanners.
What is that?
Water.
A can of water.
Sparkling water, mate.
It's better for you.
But you takeaway yet? No.
Thursday.
Because the new rules have come out.
Yeah. Yeah, Thursday. Probably garden will be closed, so don't loiter.
No loitering.
No.
But he does.
And I'll be the one outside telling everyone to f off if they don't follow the rules, so behave yourself.
Do you want a blankie? No, we're not warrants.
So what was the review of that ride?
Thanks, Neil, for getting us covered in shit.
No, actually, we're not really moaning. That was an amazing ride. Some of the burnt fields in the middle, through the golf course, and then you come out and it's just, that was mega.
I just slightly undersubscribed, I think, to it. I was expecting a 3-hour ride and
it's been 5 hours. Yeah. It took Neil 5 hours, it took us 5 hours. Like I said earlier, I'll put a link to the ride in the description down below. I'm normally not this careful with packages. Look at that. Like a mirror. I think I hit 100,000 subscribers about a month ago. It takes a while for them to send these through, but nice little memory I can put on the wall. Signed by Susan, the CEO of YouTube. This is a brand new cycling magazine that's been sent to me by a friend of a friend. It's not just bike packing and ultra cycling stuff, but there's a lot of that in there. Some really nice photography in it. If you're interested in riding in general and you want to read something new, dropped. Check these guys out. I'll put a link in the description. I'm gonna put my feet up and read this, recover from that ride, clean my bike. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.